everyone. In today's video I have something a little bit different. So this is my sister Sarah. And what operating system do you use on a daily basis?
Well, I use Windows 10.
Well, are you very good at Windows 10?
That's my main operating system, so yes.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not
Just-
the best at Windows, but
Just saying.
Apple.
I hold on, Sarah. Stop. So, just yesterday I updated her computer a lot because she doesn't know how to do system updates. Do you?
I don't.
You gotta learn. They're important.
Okay.
So anyway, since Sarah is so adept to Windows 10, we're gonna try something a little bit different. We're gonna try macOS 10.9 Mavericks. Now, I know this is not the latest version of macOS, and that's because a lot of the new versions of macOS run really terribly through VMware. So, now, without further ado, we're going to let Sarah use macOS. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log on to the computer. Now, how do you think you do that?
What's my password?
Well, it's Sarah1234.
Okay.
So, have you seen something similar to this?
Yeah, because my teacher uses a MacBook.
Okay. So, 10.9 Mavericks was the last version of macOS.
Safari.
This is the last version of macOS to use what's called a skeuomorphic design. You see how like everything's all 3D and whatnot? You see?
Yeah?
This is the last version to have that. Every version after that had this really flat design and kind of like what iOS has today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to bring up a window which will tell you what version of Mac OS you are running. Do you know where to find that? Something tells me that's not right.
Huh?
This isn't Windows, Sarah.
There's not settings in Windows.
There is settings in Windows.
I mean Apple.
There is settings in Mac, Sarah. No, just close out of this. You don't need this. You're getting close. Oh, now you're just getting further away. Now you're getting closer. No, not yet. Closer. You're getting really, really close.
Just.
So, can you tell me where you can figure out what this Mac is about? Good job. So what does it say?
OS X version 10.9.5 software update. Processor 2 times 1 by 72 gigahertz unknown. Memory 2 gigabytes. Whatever that says.
DRAM.
DRAM. Startup disk. Nathan MacBook Pro. More info.
I know. I don't know why I wanted to call it a MacBook Pro. I was thinking about calling it a Hackbook Pro, but so yeah, you can exit out of this. You know how to do that? Well, at least you know that.
Nathan, Ren means don't go or get out of this. That's how I always know that.
Okay, so, do you know, well, it's not even set right. Do you know what time it is? Do you know where to find the clock?
It's Sunday 2020.
No, it's set to military time.
Yeah, 2020.
Yeah, that's supposed to say Sunday at 8:20 p.m.
But it's
That
2020.
might have something to do because this is a Russian version that.
Russia, I don't know how to speak Russian.
No. You don't need to learn how to speak Russian.
I'm just being silly.
I've set the language to English, but Russian. This was a Russian copy from the virtual hard disk file I found, I believe, on archive.org. So, now what you're going to do is you're going to want to change your wallpaper. I know you might like the ocean, and you know what? You're going to be surprised. It's quite similar as to how it's done in Windows. You were getting there. Oh, now you're getting closer. Oh, you missed it. There. So which one do you like? You like that one? Or that one? Now it just looks like you're running, I believe that's the Mountain Lion wallpaper. So now it looks like you're running macOS X 10.8 Mountain Lion. So is that the one you like?
Yes.
Okay, then just exit out of that window. Well, good job. So,
is that a black hole? Or is that
the
the solar system?
It's a galaxy, Sarah.
Ah, Milky Way.
I don't know.
I was
Maybe, I don't know.
I was just being funny.
So, now, let's see. Write, save, open, and delete text document. That's downloads. You know, there's something similar to the Windows Start menu. Oh, well, yeah, you could. We're not going to use notes, though. That's like for writing like grocery lists and things. There is a button on here that's kind of acts similar to the Windows Start menu, and you're getting really close. Oh, no. Well, you could do that. You probably going to want to hit Launchpad. So, it should be in there. I'm not really a Mac user. I believe it's called Text Edit. That's Photo Booth. Oh, you found it. iCloud for Text Edit. So, where are you going to... Here. Let's go over to on my Mac. And what button on here brings up a new document? No! Can you just type something nice? Oh. Yeah, Control A doesn't work. Sarah, enough. You can't do that. That's not how computers work.
I was vexed.
Type something nice. Don't type a bunch of garbage. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you type some words, maybe? Those are not words. Those that is space bar. T O 2 2. All right, A. Let's see. Can you say subscribe to Techmaster 2020?
Can I say sub to Techmaster 2020?
Yeah. You know, there's such thing as spacebar, right?
I know, but we're not using that. Who needs it?
Yeah, well, you should use that. Hey, don't mess with that. That's what's recording the audio, Sarah. You don't want to mess with that. Okay then. Sub to test.
Test. Tech.
Well, keep butchering that, Sarah. This is so fun. What other numbers? You know, okay, you didn't even finish my username. What's the rest of my username, Sarah? Don't mess with that. Thank you. Gee, that took forever. Okay, so this is a little bit different from how it is. Hey, but this is different from how it is in Windows. So if you want to save it, just close it. Just hit.
Yep.
Oh, really? You had to do that? You messed up my stand. Hold on, technical difficulties.
You're squishing me.
Well, you shouldn't have knocked this over. I'm sorry. There. There. Okay. So what are you gonna name it? You know, it was highlighted, so you could have just hit that. No! Type words, please. 1, 2, you know, fine, whatever at this point. Hey everybody, Editing Nathan here. So I just realized that I forgot the delete part of create, save, open, and delete a text document, along with open. So, oops, oh well. Alright, back to the video. Shut down macOS. You're getting it. Oh. Oops. No. No. Yep.
I did it.
I guess. So, given the choice, would you ever want to use that operating system again?
Maybe.
Or do you still want Windows?
I don't know. It's a maybe.
You just don't care. You just use computers. You don't care what operating system it runs.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Is there any others we're gonna use? Maybe.
so everybody, thank you for watching this messy, stupid video. If you enjoyed this, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is TechMaster 2020.
T for TechMaster.
You realize I put 2020 at the end of my name now, right?
Still. T for
Okay, then.
TechMaster 2020.